reading MRP coverage for an entity in KettleiQ. In this short training, I'll show you how to pick a location, read days of supply against demand, and jump straight from a shortfall to scheduling, purchasing, or a contract. Let's take a look. You'll find this under Production MRP from your dashboard. MRP tells you whether you'll have enough materials and finished product to meet demand before you actually run out. Start by picking the entity you want to check, a distributor, a tap room, or another location, from the selector at the top. Below that, I'm showing every SKU or material this entity depends on, with a coverage number, days of supply on hand against projected demand, pulled from sales history, open orders, and depletions. Rows flagged red are running short. Click a flagged row and I'll show you the detail: current on hand, incoming supply, and the demand driving the shortfall. From there, you can jump straight to scheduling a brew, placing a purchase order, or adjusting a contract to close the gap. Switch entities from the selector to check coverage location by location. Demand and lead time can differ a lot between a taproom and a distributor. You end with a clear view of exactly which items are short and a next action for each.